Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to the Rockstarflipper YouTube channel. And it is Tuesday here, and it's a rainy Tuesday in Central Florida, but I am outside of Toys R Us. You guys can see it going out of business. There's the Toys R Us sign right there. And the sign still says up to 30% off. I saw a post from somebody yesterday at a Toys R Us, not 100% sure where. I want to say up north, maybe in like Pennsylvania or Jersey or somewhere, that they were having 90% off. Well, why is that 90% and this store is only 30% and in some cases 5 and 10%, just like it was a couple weeks ago? Why is that? I feel like Florida, same with the Ross, TJ Maxx, you know, Marshall thing, there aren't sales here. It's like in Florida, these stores have this theory that we're all rich and can afford to pay whatever prices they want us to pay, yet other stores in other cities get like 90% off. I don't understand it. That's crazy. We are not rich in Florida unless you live in Miami, not in Tampa, in Miami, Fort Lauderdale, West Palm Beach, Cocoa Beach, not Tampa. We want deals too. So not being greedy, because forget about me reselling this, because this is what you're all gonna say is I'm being greedy because Toys R Us won't give me the prices I want to resell stuff. Forget about that. I'm doing this video on behalf of the parents that want to come in here and get a deal to buy stuff for their kids and are unable to get that deal because Toys R Us thinks they're just gonna let everything set here at normal prices or 10% off and sell it that way. Let's go in and see what kind of stock they have left, because if that was true, these shelves, how ironic. Everything must go, but we're not gonna price it so that everything can go. If you want everything to go, you better price it correctly. So this says we're emptying our warehouse and restocking daily. Still stocking the store. Kind of suspicious, right? Hey, look, the playhouses are 10% off. Look, $159, you get it for $143. Isn't that awesome? Even as a parent, you get to save a whole, what, 16 bucks? That's fantastic. Look, the outdoor playhouse, $199. Wow, get it for $179. 10% off. Check it out, guys. A whole 10% off. Look, Nerf guns, 10% off. Nerf guns, 10% off. You're gonna buy a what? A $24 gun? We get to get it for $21.60. Ooh. Wait, we found a 30%. Gift bags are 30% off. Gift bags and tissue paper that I can buy at Walmart for 5 cents. Same story on the Baby Alives. Baby Alive, 10% off. So these Baby Alives here, $12.99. You get them for $11.70. Look at that. Completely stocked shelves. Top to bottom, every shelf stocked. Couldn't come in here without showing this. What is it? Oh, that's right. It's an i8. $199 normal, $179. Woo! i8 Spider. There's no such thing as an i8 Spider, by the way. They don't exist yet. How ironic. You got like a 4-year-old and a Maserati. Come on, guys. Maserati Gran Turismo, no less. Same price as the i8. Honestly, you guys, does this look like a store where everything must go? 10% off the entire store. I don't care about making money on any of this crap. Trust me, I never bought anything from Toys R Us. I don't even know what a Playmobil City Life is for 25 bucks, but I bet it's on eBay or Amazon for 15. So forget about me making money or being greedy. This has nothing to do with greed. There's 24 parents walking around that want to get a deal on some toys for their kids because they heard Toys R Us is going out of business. And they come in here and it's a joke. Does this look like everything must go? Oh, they have warehouses full of stuff they have to get rid of? Listen, if this stuff was a deal and it was a going out of business sale, these shelves would be emptied on a daily. They wouldn't be able to refill it fast enough because that's what happens. Probably won't come back in here again. It's probably a waste of my time. I'll keep checking, and if something changes, I'll come back in. But this is not a going out of business sale. This is we're gonna continue to rip you off with prices that are way over everyone else in town or on the internet. And we're gonna put some fancy signs up that make you think you're getting a deal. So maybe you agree with me, maybe you don't, but I think the proof is in the pudding. 10% off, joke. It's kind of tempting to scan some of these items on Amazon or eBay and then compare them to the prices here after the sale, but I would imagine I already know what I'm gonna find, and you guys probably could do it too. So I'm not gonna sit here and scan hundreds of items, but long story short, they're still overpriced. I could probably just go across town with some photos of the ones here and then go over to Walmart and find that they're much cheaper over there. So So fixture information and pricing for fixture sales starts June. And then you can fill out for all the stuff that you want. Gordon Brothers Retail Partners LLC fixture request form. Nothing I want from these overpriced fools, but just to give you guys an idea. In case you want some fixtures, you can come back and get it. Little thing there you can fill out. Said returns would be accepted through April 21st and gift cards accepted through April 21st, and that's the cutoff for having your gift cards turned in and all that stuff taken care of. So make sure you get in there by April 21st, which is only what, 2 weeks from now? Less than 2 weeks from now. So like I said, that is probably my last trip inside Toys R Us unless something drastic changes. I doubt it. They do have that furniture and the, you know, like the racks and all that stuff they're liquidating probably at every store through that company. You saw it on the video. You can pause the video and screenshot it or photograph it if you need. So if you are interested in like fixtures and furniture and all that stuff, I don't know that they're gonna go cheap. Maybe it might be an auction, might be buy it now. Probably an auction they may set up through the website or something. Not 100% sure on that. You have to call them or email them and ask, or get on the email list through that information that I gave you. But it might be an opportunity, like when Macy's closed, they sold a lot of their stuff. So when Toys R Us finally finishes, they may be selling off everything from the display racks to the display TVs to the hangers to the things to the pallet jacks in the back of the warehouse. All that stuff will probably be up for sale. So worth at least taking a look at. If it's grossly overpriced, then move along. Otherwise, you know, get yourself a deal on it. So for all you people that are gonna comment, calling me greedy, none of this was about reselling. This is simply showing you why companies end up out of business. And I know some people are gonna say, oh, Casey, a liquidation company is handling it. You might be right. So if it's a liquidation company, then shame on Toys R Us for not getting a better liquidation company. Facts. Anyways, feel free, use the comment section below as always, and check out the description box for links to my eBay and Amazon store. If you're gonna go shopping on eBay or Amazon, please use those links to get to the website first. It really helps me out, whether you buy from me or not, and it gives you a chance to take a look at my eBay store and take a look at all the stuff I use to create these videos and my eBay photos, which are the light kit and all that good stuff. So, till next time, I'll see you then.